Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be cooking meat pie. Yay! How many of you guys like meat pie? Comment down below. I want you guys to know. But anyways, these are all our ingredients. So we have onions, scotch bonnet, minced beef of course, potatoes, carrots, and a large amount of butter. The reason we have a large amount of butter is because we're going to be making a lot of meat pie. So yes, because it's for somebody. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. What are you waiting for? But anyways, see you guys in the next clip when we'll be chopping the ingredients. Bye bye. Hi guys, so everything's chopped. The potatoes are chopped. We can't chop butter, but yeah. Carrots chopped. Yep, minced beef and everything. So now we will be showing you guys when we're putting everything, like, you know, everything's on the stove and everything. So we're gonna see you guys there. Bye. Hi guys, so now we are putting the carrots and potatoes together so they can boil, because yeah, so this is what you're supposed to do now. Add your potatoes, then add your carrot and let it to boil. So yeah, as you can see now, that's what is happening, and I'll show you the other pot because it's so much. Hi guys, so we added our potatoes and carrots and water into our bowl. So this is what you're supposed to do. Add your potatoes, then your carrots into the bowl, then add your water so you can boil. So now we're adding our seasonings. Maggi cube, I'm adding it in right now. And you also have to add salt. Don't forget salt. Salt is one of the main, like, seasonings we have to add. As you can see, it's sizzling now. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so now I'm just stirring my minced meat on the fire, so we can have cooked nice minced meat. And now I'm adding in our mixed spices. We obviously have to add seasonings, because if we don't add seasonings, it will be plain. So Now I'm adding in Maggi. Maggi is essential, like you need that. Maggi gives it flavor, so the Maggi. And now I'm stirring it again. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't been subscribed, what are you doing? Please subscribe so you can join our family. And also our membership is up. You can join different prices, and the memberships are worth it. Trust me. So you can join now. Guys, so now our mint beef is nearly cooked. And I added our grinded peppers and onions mixture. Yeah, so we're just gonna have to wait a little bit until it's cooked, and we have to add our salt. We cannot forget our salt, but don't add that much because salt is not really good for the body, but it also gives it a bit of taste, so it's not bland. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it's fully cooked and when we're putting the meat inside the dough. See ya, guys. So now we're gonna add our potatoes and carrots into our minced beef, and we have to stir it, obviously. Hi guys, so I am back finally. Yep, so this is our minced beef, pepper, onions, potatoes, carrots, and this is our dough. And yep, we will be now making the meat pie officially, like actually making it. So I'll be showing you guys the process, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like I said before, and follow my socials in the description below. See ya. Hi guys, I finally finished the meat pie. This is how it looks. This is not all of it, but we have finished. It looks delicious. Hopefully the customer likes it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys think it looks nice? Because I definitely do. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow Beautylicious socials in the description below. And yep, see you guys in another video. See you. Bye bye.